All right, y'all. So a lot of people, including myself, love and enjoy the ninjafoodi grill. Right? The model number that I have is the AG302. Sometimes you run into that problem where, it keeps saying add food, add food, add food. So Ninja put in this beautiful, beautiful contactor here. When you open the lid, right, it's a little tab right here. It's supposed to push down on this spring. Oh, I kind of knocked it loose, but it pushes down on that spring and opens that contactor. It's a little button right here. This button is stuck, right? So what I have to do is order me a new contactor because this one is stuck, so it won't allow for it to open the switch. I do not have it plugged in right now, so you crazy people who think, oh, let me plug it in, no, don't do that, you're gonna kill yourself. Excuse me, I got the sniffles as well. But this contactor, I gotta find out how much it costs. Relatively simple. If you have a warranty, don't open it and void your warranty. I don't have a warranty anymore. It expired. Of course, when your warranty expires, things go haywire. So I'm gonna order it. I'm gonna pop this off. It's relatively easy to get to. You take out this. Oh, I'm sorry. Kind of went off camera a little bit. But you take off this connector and this connector here, and then you pop this right out. Now to get to this point, right, is you have to do a couple of things, right? You have to take off the back of your grill, and you have to take off a piece of the base. And as you can see, these two springs, they have little plugs that go inside the arms. Can't really see the hole here, but to hold it in place, you gotta slide them off, unattach your wires, so that way you can get to it. But hopefully I'll be able to post the next video to let you guys know how to put this in. But if you have the ninjafoodi grill AG302, this bad boy is your problem. That's what it is. So don't go spraying the hinges and all of that stuff like they say on some of the forums I've been on. Nobody wants to open these things, but I don't care. I'm crazy. Don't be like me. But thanks for watching. Hope this helps.